In order to use Flippity on your Google Sheets, you have to go to the web store and download it from the add-ons. It's very simple, and I most definitely recommend this tech tool to be used in class. It is it seems to me to be a lifesaver. You can make it into a competition with the class. They have badge tracker, random name picker for teams, all of that. To me, it just like she said. Like he said. I'm sorry. I love using Flippity, and now makes it so much easier. Thanks, and I agree with him. I agree with her. Great resource. The students can use it. They can do it on their own. It's simple and it's easy.